This is the elevator at some self-storage place.
Elevator's up here, we can just open it.
Yeah, look at the old GAL call station.
You wanna open it or you want me to open it?
If you want to.
Alright, let me see if I... How do we use this lever? It's supposed to come up here, right?
You do this.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, you do that. It's an old O'Keefe.
Okay, gate's shut. Close the manual gate.
I'll get my cab view before we go.
Yeah, well,
Machine is literally right up there.
Get focus.
Dude, the ropes are like, looks like the ropes are almost rubbing against the wood.
Yeah.
Wonder if you
Well,
can see
hey.
the O'Keefe plate.
Back in the day, they didn't really care.
Yeah.
They
As
just
long as
put
the
it
elevator did its job.
Yeah.
This is cool.
There's the controls.
Oh, look at this. This is like a door in its own, I think. Oh, look at this. This is like a freight door.
Yeah, that's to go to the alley.
All right.
We're gonna hit the down button.
You want to control it?
Check the light switch real quick. It does work. Yes, let's
Alright.
go down. We're gonna go to the bottom level. I'll watch up if I can while we go down. If I don't drop my phone, try not to be caught on it. I accidentally cut it.
There's the counterweight. This thing's old. This is cool. And we just found this on mistake. Like I just wandered in here.
Counterweight's over there. Yeah, that's cool. I think we're gonna hit the bottom pretty soon.
Yeah, this is it.
Yep, there we are.
Let's see. I think this building is separate from the one next door.
I think so.
We can just take it up for another ride then.
Yeah, let's take it up one more time. I'll let you control this time.
Yeesh.
Is it doing that or are you doing that?
I think it's doing that.
I accidentally cut the clip. I'm gonna have to combine them.
Jesus.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Let's head back down.
Yeah, let's just go back down. Go to the B level and get out of here.
All right. That's cool.
Yeah. Close it up. I accidentally